Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to enable the super useful options that allow you to run the Doom the Dark Ages smoother and get more FPSs while playing. So let's begin! At first open the settings and move to the tab where you can see the screen icon on it. Then scroll down to the video tab. And as you can see, we have upscaler here. We can choose from here the FSR option, which we wanna use. Also, if you're using the NVIDIA GPU, you will have the possibility to choose NVIDIA, and that allows you to activate these three options that using DLSS possibility. But FSR is also working like DLS. So I choose FSR, and as you can see I have three options here. FSR, I can change the quality and performance, ultra performance. These two will gonna decrease the quality of the game, but it will performance better. If you wanna have better graphic and quality, you gonna choose quality, but I have balance. That's enough for me. You can also adjust the value of FSR sharpness by using this toggle, but I won't do this. The important thing is FSR frame generation. You have to turn on this option because it gives you more frames and your game will be running smoother and your performance will be better. So that's all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!